If you are practicing yoga for years and want to make career in it, you will need a certificate. If you are already a certified yoga teacher from some institution, not very well recognized, then this webinar is for you. Because in this webinar, we are going to talk about the most reputed yoga certification body, which is from Government of India. It is Yoga Certification Board under Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. This is the only board which is formed by any country. So India is the only country where government have formed this board. No other country have formed any such board till now. So what about other certifications? Yes, there are other certifications, but those are from some autonomous body, some university, some state university or like that. But this is first time when central government have formed a certification board. So this, I believe, is the most reputed certification, and in future it is going to be the most valuable and most demanded certificate in yoga. So whether you have interest, whether you are practicing yoga or whether you are teaching yoga, whether you have certificate already or not, you should have this certificate as well. In coming future, you will also see more vacancies, and most of them may demand this certificate from Government of India. In this webinar, you will learn each and everything about YCB. YCB have 3 levels of exam for people at different level, for beginners, for intermediate and for advanced. So you can choose your examination as per your capacity. For beginners like a student or those who are just having yoga as hobby or interest, they can get level 1. Level 1 is called as Yoga Protocol Instructor. After getting this certificate, you can teach yoga in park or schools. But you have to teach for healthy people only. When you get level 2, you can start your own studio, your own online classes, and you can also approach school, colleges or corporates or other institutions to teach yoga. With level 3, you will get certificate of yoga teacher and evaluator. You can start your own studio, online or offline yoga classes. You can approach schools, colleges, corporates or institutions. You also become examiner. That means you can go as an examiner in any examination, even in YCB. There will be 200 marks for this exam and you have to get 70%. You can do all the preparation from your home. You can appear in the exam from your home as the exam is online. Your studies will not be interrupted, your work will not be interrupted. You can continue whatever you're doing. Once you get certified, most probably with this certificate, you will get a job. But I personally believe that you should be self-reliant. And especially for that, in this webinar, we will also tell you how to start something on your own, especially online with Facebook marketing and other social media marketing. So we will give you a brief introduction of that as well. I know there are many queries that you have. We will have extra 30 minutes for Q&A session. Please join us in this free masterclass where I will tell you everything about this examination. How to enroll, how to prepare, how to get the certificate, what is the process, who should appear in which level of exam. Everything, all your doubts will be clear. See you in the webinar.